Flowers wake in the breeze, folded gold in the trees. Little streams touch the stone, and I walk here alone. Soft and slow, I can hear all the quiet growing near. Every petal, every sigh drifts like clouds across the sky. Step by step I go where the gentle waters flow, and my heart begins to soften like the hills around me often. Peace is in the air, peace is everywhere, peace is in the air. I let it hold me there. Peace is in the air, peace is everywhere, peace is in the air. Quiet happiness. Sunlight trembles on leaves, making small shining beams. I can breathe, I can stay, let the noise fall away. In the green I feel whole, like a song without a role. And the world for a while wears a softer kind of smile. Step by step I go where the gentle waters flow, and my heart begins to soften like the hills around me often. Peace is in the air, peace is everywhere, peace is in